Hello, my soul family. Welcome back to Soul Sanctuary. Love, the most powerful force we know, and yet it lives so closely to our darkest emotions: hate, anger, ego, and jealousy. How can something so pure be so entangled with so much pain? The truth is, these emotions like hate, anger, ego, and jealousy, they're not separate from love. They're the shadows love casts when it's distorted, when it's misunderstood, and when it's wounded. Hate is not the opposite of love, it's love turned inside out. It's what happens when love is betrayed, broken, and lost. People don't usually hate what they have never cared about, they hate what once mattered deeply. Anger is often a cry for love. It's pain that hasn't found the words. It's the fire that burns when our love isn't seen or when our boundaries are crossed. It screams, I wanted better. And beneath that scream, there is always a softer truth, a longing to be heard, to be valued, and to be loved. For ego, ego builds walls around love. It whispers, protect yourself, don't let them in. It fears vulnerability. It confuses strength with pride, and in doing so, it blocks the very connection it craves. But the ego isn't evil, it's just scared. It's love wearing armor. And jealousy, that bitter twist in the heart, is love in comparison. It's love tainted by the fear of not being enough. It's not about others having more, it's about our belief that we are lacking something within. But true love never competes, it completes. All of these emotions are born from the same seed. Love is the root, the rest are branches twisted by fear, insecurity, and pain. So, what do? We don't fight hate with more hate. We don't silence anger. We don't shame jealousy or crush the ego. We understand them. We look them in the eye and ask, what are you really trying to say? And in doing so, we bring everything back to love. Not a passive, naive love, but a conscious, powerful, healing love. Because only love can untangle the knot of human emotions. Only love can soften the sharp edges of our hearts. When we return to love, not just in romance, but in how we see ourselves and others, we begin to heal. And when we heal, we make room for peace, for connection, and for clarity. So remember, even in your darkest moments, love is not far. It may be buried under layers of anger, pride, or fear, but it's there, waiting, always. So, dear, be it your shadow self or others that is affecting your relationship or your peace of mind, forgive. Forgive yourself as well as others, and just let go. We'll catch you soon. Till then, forgive and heal.